Ever wondered why your muscles grow after a tough workout session? It's a question that's intrigued many of us, and the answer lies in the fascinating science of muscle growth. The journey to muscle growth starts with resistance training, which is essentially challenging your muscles to handle more than they're accustomed to. This intense action creates micro tears in your muscle fibers, a process that might sound a bit alarming at first. But don't worry, it's all part of the plan. These micro tears are the cue for your body to kick into repair mode. During your rest periods, your body gets to work, patching up these tears with new muscle tissue. This repair process not only fixes the damage, but also strengthens the muscle fibers, making them more resilient than before. So, each time you lift those weights, remember you're not just building muscles. You're engaging in a remarkable process of damage, repair and growth. In essence, muscle growth is a process of damage and repair, and it's this constant cycle that leads to stronger, bigger muscles. But what role does protein play in this process, you may ask? Well, protein is like the unsung hero of muscle growth. It steps in to repair the tiny tears that occur in your muscles during an intense workout. So how does this work? Picture protein as a string of pearls. Each pearl is an amino acid, the basic building blocks of muscle. When you consume protein, your body breaks it down into these individual amino acids, which then journey to the muscle fibers that have been damaged during your workout. Here, these amino acids get to work, repairing the damaged muscle fibers, replacing the old with the new, stronger ones. It's like a renovation team for your muscles, rebuilding and reinforcing the structures that have been worn out. This process of repair and replacement not only aids in recovery, but also promotes muscle growth. It's a continuous cycle of damage, repair and growth, all powered by protein. Protein, therefore, is the key ingredient in the recipe for muscle growth. So, does gulping down protein powder after a workout speed up this process? You might be wondering. Well, let's dive into the power of protein powder. Protein powders, in their myriad forms, have the benefit of convenience. They're easy to tote around in a gym bag, and they're a quick way to get protein into your body, especially when you're on the go. With just a shake or a stir, you can have a protein-packed snack ready in no time. But the real magic lies in their absorption rate. Many protein powders are designed to be rapidly absorbed, getting those muscle-building nutrients to your tissues faster post-workout. But let's clear up a common misconception. While protein powder can contribute to muscle growth, it's not a magic potion that will turn you into a bodybuilder overnight. Muscle growth is a process. It requires not only a high protein intake, but also regular resistance training and a balanced diet. Think of protein powder as a tool in your fitness toolbox. It's there to assist you, not do the work for you. It can help fill in the protein gaps in your diet and provide a convenient source of nutrition post-workout. However, don't forget about the importance of whole foods, which provide a range of nutrients not found in powder form. So remember, protein powder is a tool, not a solution. It aids muscle growth when used correctly. So, what's the bottom line here? Let's bring it all together, shall we? Muscle growth is a fascinating process. It's a cycle of damage and repair, a beautiful symphony of breaking down and building up. When you lift weights, you're essentially creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. It sounds a bit brutal, doesn't it? But it's this very process that stimulates your body to repair and grow stronger muscles. Now, protein, our good friend, is a crucial player in this process. It's like the worker bees of your body, rushing to the site of damage and aiding in the repair. Protein is the building block of your muscles, and it helps to recover and grow them after a good workout. Speaking of protein, we've got to talk about protein powder. It's been hyped up quite a bit, hasn't it? Well, protein powder can indeed be a convenient source of protein, especially for those with a busy lifestyle. But let's clear this up. It's not a magic solution. It's a tool, a supplement, not a substitute for balanced nutrition. And while we're on the topic of balance, let's not forget the importance of regular resistance training. It's the catalyst that kickstarts the whole muscle growth process. So keep hitting those weights, folks. Remember, muscle growth is a journey, not a destination. And protein in all its forms is your travel buddy.